Imagine yourself in this Kia 2017 Forte S. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. Enjoy these notable features: S technology package, 6 speakers, AM/FM radio, Sirius XM, MP3 decoder, radio, AVO e-services, infotainment, AM/FM, MP3 audio, air conditioning, rear window defroster, driver and front passenger one touch up-down windows and power steering. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned car, this might be the one. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.